welcome back everyone. This is Mark with Southern Custom CC. Today we're going to do a quick video on what you should do immediately after you finish your build, but before you go out onto the road for a long ride. So there are a couple things that you want to do. First step, you want to make sure that all your nuts are secure and nice and tight. You want to come in and start and make sure that your bolts for your intake are nice and tight so that you get a good air seal. Okay? And you want to come into your exhaust. Make sure that that is nice and tight. Okay? You don't want to overdo it because you don't want to strip it. And you don't want to overdo it because of a step that I'm about to show you. You have to warm up the engine. Once the engine is warmed, you'll start to burn off some of the moisture that's in those gaskets. Once that engine is warmed up, you want to come back and you want to retighten these. And as you can see in a moment, these will actually move further and tighten further than they are now. Alright, so let's start this up for the first time. Get the engine warmed, and we'll come back and we'll see just how much more those bolts will be tightened. So we got it nice and warm. Come back 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, you want to come in and make sure that your bolts are secure now that the engine has been moving around and vibrating. And the engine has had a chance to quasi-settle in. You want to make sure that 1, 2, 3, and 4 are more secure. Alrighty, so what we essentially did is we resealed the gaskets at the intake, exhaust, as well as the main body. We tightened down the cylinder head, and we made sure that our 4 points of contact with the engine to the bike were nice and secure. This is what you want to do before you go for a main ride. Just warm up the engine, refasten those points of contact, and you will be good to go. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe.